Astrea VI Class A1 PE Bonds. Retail investors can gain exposure to private equity through Astrea VI Class A1 Private Equity Bonds. When you buy an Astrea VI PE bond, you are lending to the issuer for a period of time. The bonds are backed by cash flows from a portfolio of investments in 35 PE funds worth a total of $1.5 billion, comprising investments in 802 companies across many sectors. How does this benefit you? Such diversification helps to minimize the impact of poor performance of any one fund. This Astrea VI portfolio consists of funds invested mainly in developed economies, managed by reputable fund managers, and includes mature funds where their investments are ripe to generate more cash flows. There are also additional structural safeguards. For instance, we reserve cash every 6 months to build up cash for repaying holders of the most senior classes of the bonds. We also have a trigger in place to lower debt level when it crosses 50%, and we can borrow from a bank to pay your interest if there is a cash flow shortfall. 3 classes of investment-grade bonds will be issued, and retail investors in Singapore can subscribe to the most senior class of Sing Dollar bonds, Astrea VI Class A1 PE Bonds. Before you invest, you should understand the risks associated with Astrea VI PE Bonds. Typically, bond investment risks include issuer's default, changes in market interest rates, inflation and liquidity, among others. There are also risks specific to private equity investments that can affect cash distributions. For more information on the offering and the risk factors, please look through our prospectus. The prospectus relating to the offering is available for collection at the following banks during their opening hours. Anyone wishing to acquire the securities will need to make an application in the manner set out in the prospectus. You can apply for Astrea VI Class A1 PE bonds through the following means. And make sure to apply before the public offer closes. Astrea VI. Invest for your future.